All right, spring break week. My voice is shot, so I will make this as short as possible so you don't have to listen to me for too long. Um, it's spring break, so enjoy your break. I would never discourage students from working ahead, but here's the thing: like we're in good shape. Next week you're going to have chapter 12 to watch. And that's a short chapter, so you got plenty of time to do that. There's not a lab due next week, so that's the other good news. So if you were looking for a way, like if you want to be in good shape in this class, what I would recommend is just go ahead and start looking over the chapters that we've covered already that are going to be on your next exam. So chapter 9 was the cell cycle and mitosis. Chapter 10 was meiosis, and then 11 last week was genetics. Feel free to look over those. Feel really comfortable with them, and if you do have any questions, you can send me a message. I'm not going to be checking Blackboard that often, but if you send them to me, I will respond as soon as I get a chance. If you want to really go ahead and work ahead in the class, our next lab, it's not due next week, but it's the week after that, and it's on genetics. So it's a longer lab. There's some math that's involved. So I've recorded some sample problems to show you how to do the math in here. But if you wanted to go ahead and do that, then that'll make life a lot easier on you in a couple weeks. Just a reminder, we've got a lot of labs in this class, so I'm basically dropping our lowest lab grade. What that also means is if you've done every lab this whole semester, the last lab is going to count as bonus points. So if you've got a 0 for a lab early on, if you'll do this lab, it'll be worth 20, and that'll basically drop your lowest lab grade. But if you do this one, then those 20 bonus points will really help out towards the end of the semester. All right, so enjoy your break. Please take a few days and don't even think about biology. But if you did want to get a head start, go ahead and start reviewing chapters 9, 10, and 11. And then next week we'll do 12. And then you could go ahead and start on the genetics lab, which is the last lab that's listed on SI Cloud. All right, I'm about to go make a cup of hot tea with honey. Y'all have a good break, and hopefully next time you hear from me, I will sound better than this. Thanks.